Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You YouTube. In this video, you can watch as I create a 3-tiered wedding cake from scratch, so stay tuned. This is the orange version of my vanilla butter cake recipe, which is multiplied by 6 to make 14, 10, and 6-inch 3-layer cakes. The recipe and the measurements are in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step. I'll put a link below the video for you and also in the video so you can go check out the books. The filling for this cake is a white chocolate buttercream. This is the Italian meringue buttercream with a twist, which you can see on this channel. You can also download a free copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes at weddingcakesforyou.com. The links are below in the description box for you. This is a simple syrup, and this is optional. If you decide to use it, you can just brush it over the layers and it gives you an extra little boost of flavor. Then a layer of buttercream, raspberries, fresh or frozen, and then more buttercream to seal in the raspberries. Do this for each layer. The cakes are then lightly frosted to seal in the crumbs. Repeat this with all 3 tiers. Day 1 and 2 are now complete. On day 3, the cakes are frosted. You can use the 789 frosting tip, which I'm using here, to put the final frosting on the cakes. Then you smooth it out with a bench scraper or a spatula. I just started using this tip and I'm loving it. You can create a rustic beauty using a spatula and doing a stucco effect like I'm doing on this cake. Mark the cake for a visual aid before you decorate. The mounds of icing will be the main arrangement. Dark purpley blue hydrangea is piped using 101 over a mound of green. Light blue mock-up of a stock flower is piped with a mum tip. The mums are piped onto wax paper and frozen for about 10 minutes before placing them onto the cake. The mums are peeled away from the wax paper and placed over the mound of soft buttercream. I also piped white tulips with goldenrod yellow centers as an accent. They're made with the Russian piping tip. I'll be sharing in the future a mini version of this wedding cake with you with more specific instructions on how to make these buttercream flowers and also how to arrange them on the cake. This cake was especially heavy, so it's a good thing we were both keeping up on our weight training. Scott may need a little help though with his bodybuilding poses. The cake made it safe and sound to 19 Main in New Milford, Connecticut. The bride and groom chose a beautiful monogram topper. As always, delivering a wedding cake is a great cause for celebration with a cocktail or two. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my upcoming videos. See you next week.